How to use ChatGPT for school. It's obvious that you are a beginner that wants to use ChatGPT for their study purposes. And in school, you want to be ahead of the other students using ChatGPT. You can actually ask ChatGPT to be a tutor of any subject that you are struggling with. And to do that, the process is really simple, quick, and easy. Just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. Let's say I want to learn English grammar using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide me a complete plan to learn English grammar as we're in school, so we're gonna stick to the basics. And here I can ask ChatGPT to provide me different topics to learn. Or you can simply provide ChatGPT a topic that you want to learn. For example, that you want to learn, let's say we want to learn adjectives, so we can ask ChatGPT to teach us adjectives, and it will give you simple and easy explanations that you can read. You can go and learn from these examples as well. And here, as you guys can see, it is teaching me adjectives in detail with examples. That's how you can go and learn this using ChatGPT and be ahead of your other fellows. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.